Vauxhall Astra battery replacement. Battery's located in the boot. Just lift up the boot floor. Completely, if you want to. 10mm battery terminals, negative first. Remove the vent and then disconnect the positive. $13mm nut to release the clamp holding the bottom of the battery. To have a handle on it, or the handle's missing. So check the size of the new battery against the old battery. Make sure it's the same way around. So terminals at the back. Connect the positive first, means there's no risk of shorting. Refit the clamp. It's actually best to tighten the positive terminal before connecting the negative, which reduces the risk of shorting to the body. Battery terminals don't need to be tight, only about 8 Newton meters. Just make sure they're secure and don't over tighten them. And now replace the boot floor and you're all done.